friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel.
Let's make a magic torch today.
Alright Bubbles, let's go.
For this, we will require a sheet of plastic, something like this, a white sheet and a black sheet. Now, why don't we fold the white sheet into 2 equal parts? Yes, just like a card. After that, let's start making 2 standing lines. And then, let's make 1 curved line to join both the lines. Why don't we make 1 more curved line? Do you know what are we making? Yes, we are making a torch. Let's finish making the torch. And finally, let's make 2 slanting lines for the light. Now it's time for us to color. You can use your sketch pens, crayons, pencil colors, or even oil pastels to color this. Why don't we use cool colors like blue, purple and green to color this? Let's start with the purple one. And well, do you know what is a yellow color? Yes, it is a warm color. Yellow is a warm color because it is the color of sun and it gives us warmth. Now why don't we take the cool color, which is the blue color? Do you know why is blue a cool color? Yes, because it gives us a sense of coolness and it's the color of water. Now, let's go ahead with pink color. Are you coloring in one direction? Well, so am I. Now, let's color the switch and then it's time for us to cut it. Make sure you keep the scissor away from you and cut it nicely. Try and go on top of the line. Once we are done cutting it, we will take a black marker and start drawing on top of our plastic sheet. You can draw whichever drawing you like, or you can see what I'm drawing here and then draw it along. Well, yes, I'm making a house right here. Oh well, why don't we make the chimney and give the roof a nice design? This looks great! After that, let's draw the tree and then the moon. Just because it is a night scenery, why don't we even draw the stars? This looks great. Now it's time for us to color. You can take a whiteboard marker and start coloring. This is so easy and a lot of fun, isn't it? After that, let's take another color and start coloring the house. You can use whichever colors you like and complete coloring the entire picture. Just because this is a plastic sheet, it is okay if you have white spaces in the middle. Let's complete the grass with the green color as well. Now, let's make lines for the house and then start coloring alternate lines. This is going to give us a beautiful design on top of the house. And now, let's do orange for the roof. Okay, we are done with our drawing, and now are you ready for the magic? Let's keep a black sheet of paper below our plastic. And now, let's take our torch and see the magic. Do you see this? We have a beautiful torch with which we can see our entire drawing. Isn't this exciting? Can you see your drawing too with your torch? This looks great!
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. Stay tuned for our next video.